Hey guys, it's your girl Tina here. I'm back with my Best in Beauty series, and today I'm at Estetica, a beauty salon that has a very interesting treatment called a Meridian Detox Facial. It's where they revive the skin using a special tool called an oxhorn tool. I took my mum here a week ago and her results were amazing, so I had to feature this place on my series. Before I began my facial, the therapist analyzed my skin using their AI skin analysis machine. This takes a photo of my skin under 3 lights and shows my skin's condition and areas that need improvement. The therapist pointed out that my skin was dehydrated and I had lots of dead skin cells due to not exfoliating regularly. But overall, everything else was pretty good and I was really happy to find out my skin age was only 25. Hey, not bad for a 32-year-old. With this information, the therapist selected the most suitable products to use on my skin and we got started with the facial. First, she started off with a cleanse using a gentle cleansing milk. Next, she applied an exfoliating scrub and worked that into my skin. Goodbye, dead skin cells. Au revoir. Once that's removed, she applied these cotton pads soaked in toner to help soften up my skin. It's going to take a couple minutes, so she gave me a lovely neck and décolletage massage. Then we moved on to extractions. I only had a little bit of congestion around my nose and chin area, so there wasn't much pimple popping action. Sorry to disappoint all you Dr. Pimple Popper fans. The therapist also cleaned up my brows, which I clearly haven't touched in months because, you know, hashtag new mum life. Ain't nobody got time for brows. Now, once my brows were on fleek again, she applied a serum and hydro cream on my face to help prep it for the star of the show, the Meridian Detox Massage, also known as Bojan Therapy, which helps encourage qi or energy flow and skin detoxification. This treatment shares the same principles as Gua Sha, but the main difference is the tool and technique used. Bojan Therapy uses a special oxhorn tool. It has a small rounded tip used for acupressure and to help unblock meridian points, as well as expel toxins through the lymphatic system. It also helps reduce water retention and puffiness in the skin. On On the other side of the tool, there's a flat paddle which is used for larger areas of the face and neck. It's good for improving circulation and lifting the skin. The oxhorn tool also helps target deeper skin tissues for longer lasting results without the pain and redness often associated with gua sha. It's used around the eye area to reduce dark circles, eye bags, and lift and depuff the eyes. The therapist basically used this tool all around my face and neck area, using short strokes and circular motions. Her pressure was firm, but it wasn't painful. I actually found it really soothing and relaxing, so I fell asleep for most of it. Just when I thought the massage was over and I was ready to wake up, the therapist went back in with her hands and gave me a very good firm massage. I was in limbo for this, half asleep, half awake. Clearly, I was very relaxed. Next, she wiped down my face and applied a cooling face mask designed to add moisture and hydration to my skin. This was left on for 20 minutes, so I squeezed in another power nap. After the mask was removed, she finished off with skincare, applying serum, eye cream, moisturizer, and sunblock. I felt oh so relaxed and refreshed. I haven't napped like that in months, guys. Here's a quick before and after shot. You can see my skin looks brighter and more lifted. I also noticed the contours of my face were more defined and my skin felt so much softer. I definitely need to come back and get this done again. Now that's it to this episode. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Do check out my Best in Beauty series for more videos and don't forget to subscribe. I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! Ba-dum, bum,